Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this cute reindeer on Dress to Impress. I'll show it to you right now. Super cute. So to do that, you're just going to go to servers and you're going to go to the winter quest. It is like a winter spotlight event until I think the 2nd of January, if I'm not mistaken. Then you're going to first, if you have not done chapter 1, do that first. And then you're going to go to the chapter 2 area to claim the Winter Spotlight token, and it's going to give you a reindeer. So I'll just show it to you in a minute. Just bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna skip the cutscene because I've seen this, but it's really good. So the reindeers will take flight in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you're going to get the blue Winter Spotlight token in the like middle way, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. So don't hit the snowman and the presents, but you can go through the wreath just to go a little bit faster. Whoop. But I would not recommend you using that because you might miss it. So just be patient on it. I think I'm not going to go through more so I can show you guys. It's like halfway through. That is the token you want to get. I already got it, so I'm just showing it to you guys. And just finish the chapter 2 quest. Or I think you can just go out after you've claimed the token. But just go to the end first, just in case it doesn't work. And that's how you can get the reindeer on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.